How do we close a revenue account? It's a fairly straightforward process. PetPal's veterinary service revenue is a revenue account, and their income summary account is a temporary capital account. To close out veterinary services revenue, which has a balance of $1,500, you would have to bring that account to a zero balance. To do that, you will need to debit $1,500 to veterinary services revenue. Then the balance of the veterinary services revenue account has to be transferred to the income summary account. Because debits must equal credits, the income summary would be credited for $1,500. In your journal, you would need to write the words closing entries on the top line of the general journal in the center of the top line. Record the date, which should be the last day of the fiscal period, in the date columns. You will enter the account names and amounts to be debited and credited on the appropriate lines. Veterinary services revenue, so $1,500 debited to veterinary services revenue. You will go to the next line, indent about an inch, and credit $1,500 to income summary. By the way, if you had had more than one revenue account, you would enter each account name, then debit the appropriate amounts. The total would be credited to income summary.